Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Spidi Laser Pro perforated one-piece race suit. Okay, the all-new Laser Pro perforated retails for $999.90 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a pretty good looking suit, I'm not gonna lie. Put it on, went and looked in the mirror, and I'm like, damn dude, you look good in that suit. Right now I weigh about 205 pounds, 5 feet 11 inches tall. We're more like a 34 waist right now. We're picking up the Rona 15, okay? This is a 56 Euro. I got on a back protector underneath it. It has all the armor that it comes with. We'll show you in the second part of this video. This gives me what I would say right out of the box, a good solid race fit. It's gonna require just a little bit of break-in, but not a tremendous amount of break-in. Got good sleeve length here. That's important to some people. If you're a little taller, longer arms, more lanky build, this suit is probably gonna be a really good option for you. There's not a tremendous amount of additional here in the midsection, so if you're a little bulkier around the middle, right, this may not be the best choice for you. So think more in shape, right, and maybe even, if you're a taller rider, just a little extra sleeve length, not going to hurt. So 56 Euro, 205, 34-inch waist, 5 feet 11 inches tall. You can use that for a benchmark along with their size chart to help you choose the right size. $999. Spidi has done a great job focusing the last few years on producing high quality one-piece race suits right around that $1,000 price point. They've got several really good options. I would say after having looked at this one, worn it for a while, this one slots right in nicely. Protection. We have CE armor, level 1 everywhere. It's in the elbow and forearm. Level 1 here in the shoulder, and this is pretty cool the way they did this. We'll show you more in the second part of the video, but we've got our external Warrior CE piece, Warrior piece, internal Warrior CE armor. They've got some different layers of foam and such built in too to really bolster the protection in that area while keeping it fairly low profile. It comes with some low pro CE hip armor, as well as that same low profile design again, CE armor in the knee and shin, replaceable knee pucks. Motion panel here. You can see I've got the brand new Spidi XPD 9R race boots on. Perforated panel here. All the stretch fabric you see is going to flow air freely. Perforation up here in the upper torso. All the stretch you see here is going to flow air freely. It's kind of funny they call it the Pro perforated model. There's not a ton of perforation with this. I will say they've done it in all the right places, so it should be plenty cool enough for most any rider out there. Hydration ready. The race hump on this is hollowed out. There is a zipper at the top of it that splits in the middle. You're able to put their little hydration pack in if you want to use it and then route it around. There's a little strap here to catch the drink tube, right? You feed that up into your helmet, so if that's a feature that you want to use, this one offers you the benefit of doing that. This also has a removable liner we'll show you in the second part of the video. It comes ready to accept their Warrior back protector insert. I don't really advocate for that because I don't think it does a great job. I don't like back protector inserts per se most of the time in road race suits. I really think you're going to get a better net result by having a full back protector that has a proper strap system, straps right to your body. This does if you want to use chest protection. It has their Warrior chest pocket. You zip it open, and then there is a pocket on the inside of the suit where literally you just slip that bad boy right in like so. Zip up, it's going to hold the chest protector in place, and you have good CE level chest protection in that area. Very easy to use. You'll find that piece in the Spidi armor section of our website. Another high point, I think, too, is going to be this mesh panel here at the base of the neck. That's a real hot spot, and having that mesh there just allows the exchange of heat, right, and moisture, just to keep the rider cool, focused, and comfortable. If you like what you see, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take the suit off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, inside out look at the Spidi Laser Pro Perforated Race Suit. This comes with a fully removable mesh liner. What Spidi has done on a lot of their suits is they have created a liner that is terminated just right above the knee area. There's some padding and such in the lower portion of the suit. We're going to show you in a second, right? So you don't need it down there. This provides some benefit when taking the suit and putting it on, taking it back off. It makes it a little bit easier. And also you don't have the liner at the lower portion of the leg kind of pulling from the bottom to the top once you get it on. So I like what they've done there. This incorporates pockets for included CE certified hip armor. This is their Warrior technology. You can see it's CE Cert Level 1. This is pretty low profile, and you see it's perforated also to help encourage exchange of heat and moisture in that area. A lot of the other suits from Spidi come with hip armor. It's simply a lot thicker than what we're showing you here. This is a little more low pro, more comfortable, yet still quite protective. If you're ever going to wash this liner, that's a hand wash with a mild detergent kind of thing. Don't throw it in the dryer, just let it line dry. Shoulder armor, more of that Warrior style technology, right? This is in a mesh pocket that you're able to move around. There's some additional layers inside the suit. We're going to show you that to fortify the shoulder area. It's level 1 certified. Here's your elbow and forearm, also level 1. It's a different knee piece. I haven't seen this one yet, right? This is a level 1. Very low pro, very comfortable stuff. Looking at the suit itself, you know, this is a really affordable piece at $9.99, right? Sub 1,000. It is Hydroback ready. If you want to put a Hydroback in, you zip that open, drop it in. You kind of zip the 2 zips until the straw can come through. There's a little strap over here to hold it. Mesh panel here at the base of the neck, and you can actually see through this right now. You can see the table. This is a hot spot, and this just allows heat energy to transfer through there and just works to keep the rider cooler and more comfortable. Got some large motion panels here in the shoulder blade area, done in leather. Some segmented perforation down here. A little segmented perf there. Large motion panel here, starts kind of at the hips all the way across. 2 layers of leather in the seat. There is an integrated tailbone protector. It's not CE certified, but it is built in. You can see all the stretch fabric they're using down here. YKK zips. Let's kind of give you a look here what they've done in the lower leg. You can see there's this kind of padded foam layer that lives on the other side of the knee armor pocket, right? So it's pretty comfortable in this spot, and it terminates right here at the start of that motion panel. So that's why they stop the liner in the place they do, which is pretty much right here. Flip it over, give you a look from the front. Large panel of leather here in the forearm. The cuff is terminated in that kind of same mesh fabric we showed you here at the collar. Got their Warrior shoulder protector. This is going to work in conjunction with that armor to protect you in that vulnerable spot. Lots of stretch fabric here, locking zipper. You can see the perforation is mostly concentrated right in this upper torso area. Got some more perf down here in the thigh. It's important to note all the stretch fabric will flow air freely. Get down to the knee. There's your motion panel there. Replaceable knee puck. Here at the very bottom of the suit, they've carried over that same mesh fabric, right? Just a little bit lighter, easier to tuck inside the boots there at the ankle. You get inside the suit. There is the pocket for the race hump. You can remove that if you want. That's just Velcro. For the shoulder, here is that Velcro patch, right? And it's kind of a foam piece like we showed you down here at the knee. So you have multiple layers that are working in conjunction with the armor, the exterior Warrior, right, to get you the protection that you need. In the shoulder, you can adjust that shoulder armor piece a little bit. That's a pretty large panel there. Just kind of get in there and move that around. This actually Velcros on and off. It's stitched here at the top. You get down into the sleeve, there's some more of that same material that's being used here for the pocket of the protector itself. We've got a couple layers of leather in that area. Inside the suit, just give you a look at some of the safety seams. You can see how they're folded and double stitched. in the seat. Here is that second layer of leather for abrasion resistance. All in all, what do I think? I think Spidi, over the course of the last several years, they've really done a good job focusing on that $1,000-ish price point, okay? They've got quite a collection of real excellent options from, $1,200 down to $1,000, and this Laser Pro is another good example of just that. The only real Achilles heel, that I would say that I see is they're a little bit smaller of a company as compared to some of the others out there. They haven't yet been able to bring to market airbag technology, which is something that I expect we'll see from Spidi before too much time passes by. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right race suit for your next track day.